everyone! Gold, a precious metal often associated with wealth and luxury, is not just a valuable commodity, also a tiny component of the human body. Yes, you read that right. The human body contains a small amount of gold, which is a fascinating aspect of our bodily composition. On average, a human body contains about 0.2 milligrams of gold, which is a tiny fraction of our total body weight. To put that into perspective, 0.2 milligrams is equivalent to about 1/100th the weight of a paper clip. This amount of gold is scattered throughout the body, with the majority of it found in the blood, bones, and tissues. Gold is present in various parts of the body, including the blood, where it is found in the red blood cells, and the bones, where it is thought to play a role in the maintenance of bone health. It is also found in various tissues, including the liver, kidneys, and brain, as well as in some organs such as the liver and kidneys. There are several ways in which gold can enter the body. We ingest small amounts of gold through the food we eat and the water we drink. Some foods, like seafood and mushrooms, may contain tiny amounts of gold. We may also be exposed to gold through the air we breathe, the soil we walk on, or the objects we touch. Additionally, some medical treatments, such as gold injections or gold-based medications, can introduce gold into the body. While the amount of gold in the body is tiny, it is thought to play a role in various bodily functions. Gold has anti-inflammatory properties, which may help to reduce inflammation in the body. It also has antioxidant properties, which can help to protect the body against free radicals. Furthermore, gold may play a role in supporting the immune system, although more research is needed to confirm this. The presence of gold in the human body is a fascinating aspect of our biology. While the amount of gold is tiny, it is thought to play a role in various bodily functions. Whether or not the gold in our bodies has any significant health benefits remains to be seen, but it is certainly an interesting area of research. So, the next time you think of gold, remember that you have a tiny amount of it inside you. The gold in our bodies is a tiny but intriguing aspect of our composition, and its presence raises many questions about its role in our health and well-being. As research continues to uncover the secrets of gold in the body, we may discover new and exciting ways in which this precious metal contributes to our overall health. For now, it is simply a fascinating fact that adds to the complexity and wonder of the human body. That's all for now. See you in next video. Goodbye.